Hello everyone! Halo semuanya! Konnichiwa minasan! Sawadee-krap ทุกคน 안녕하세요 여러분! 다자하오! Okay, in this video, I want to explain about tsunami. Tsunami is a natural disaster caused by the increasing waves of the sea to land with a high swiftness as the consequence of the quake which is centered under the ocean. The quake can be caused by land erosion, shifted plate, an erupted volcano as well as a meteorite that falls in the ocean. Tsunami usually happens if the size of the earthquake exceeds until 7 on the Richter scale. This tsunami is quite dangerous, mainly for those who live around the beach. With great force, it will sweep out whatever around it. From all cause of the tsunami, the earthquake is the major cause. An earthquake on the bottom of the sea gives rise to an affliction of the sweet seawater that caused by the change of the profile of the ocean floor that generally occurs because of the tectonic earthquake and perpendicular or vertical ground motion with the surface of the seawater or Earth's surface. If the movement of the ground are horizontal on the surface on the sea, there will not happen tsunami. Even though the movement of the ground is horizontal, but the energy of the earthquake is big, and it can cause the collapse of cliffs or hills on the sea automatically, in which the movement is perpendicular to the surface of the sea. Although there is no earthquake that hits the land directly which results vertical movement, the condition of a cliff and hill in the sea has been unstable, and because of the force of gravity and ocean currents that lead to landslide, it caused the tsunami. Earthquake causes perpendicular layer motion of the earth. As a result, the sea bottom is suddenly up and down, so that the balance of seawater was disturbed on it. Similarly, with cosmic objects or meteors that fall from above, if the size of a meteor of landslide is quite big, mega tsunami can happen with hundreds of meters high. Vertical movement of the earth crust because of a volcanic eruption, an earthquake, the avalanche or a meteor falling to earth can cause the sea floor become up or down suddenly. Therefore, it disrupts the balance of the water on it. This makes an occurrence of energy flow of seawater on the beach become large waves, so that tsunami happens. Billows can spread to all directions. The energy which consists in the wave of the tsunami is fixed on the function of the altitude. The height of wave in the sea is only about 1 meter. Thus, the rate of a wave cannot be felt by a ship that was in the middle of the sea. When it approaches the coast, the speed of the tsunami declines until about 30 miles per hour, but its height has increased to reach tens of meters. When it reaches the coast, tsunami enters the land until hundreds of meters, even kilometers. The victim of the tsunami is not little. The casualties are hit by surface water flow and material carried away by the tsunami. Besides the victim, the tsunami also has a negative impact on the building, health, and pollution on agricultural land and water. Okay guys, if I speak in English so bad, I want to apologize to you all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.